Unraveling the Sweet Mystery. Understanding sweet tooth. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to unravel the mystery behind a very interesting English phrase, sweet tooth. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, understanding such phrases can really spice up your English skills. So, let's dive in. Sweet tooth is a popular expression used in English to describe someone's love or fondness for sweet foods, like candies, chocolates, and desserts. When you say someone has a sweet tooth, you're not talking about an actual tooth, but rather a preference or inclination towards sugary treats. The origin of this phrase is quite fascinating. The term tooth was used historically in a metaphorical sense to indicate taste or liking. So, sweet tooth essentially means a taste or liking for sweet things. This expression has been used in English literature for centuries, showing how enduring and popular it is. Let's see how to use sweet tooth in real-life conversations or writing. For example, 1. I can never say no to ice cream. I guess I have a sweet tooth. 2. My brother has such a sweet tooth. He always prefers dessert over any other course. 3. Do you have a sweet tooth? Or do you prefer savory snacks? Notice how the phrase is usually used to explain someone's preference for sweets in a casual and friendly manner. There are a few other expressions that convey similar meanings. For instance, having a taste for something can also indicate a preference, not limited to just sweet foods. Another example is chocoholic, specifically used for someone who loves chocolate. I hope this video helps you understand the phrase, sweet tooth, and its usage in English. Remember, learning such phrases can add flavor to your conversations and make your language skills more authentic. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use sweet tooth next time you talk about food preferences. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.